Have you ever wondered what secrets sharks hide? Those animals that seem perfectly designed to rule the ocean. Maybe you think you already know everything about them. That they're fast, strong, and dangerous. But the truth is that behind every fin there's a world of strange details. Almost supernatural abilities. And mysterious behaviors that even scientists are still trying to understand. Today we're diving deep, without fear, into the hidden world beneath the waves to uncover things you didn't know about sharks. Facts that might change the way you see them forever. Get ready for a journey filled with research, curiosity, and surprising revelations about one of evolution's most flawless creations. Sharks have been swimming in Earth's oceans for over 420 million years, which means they existed long before trees appeared. Imagine that. The planet looked nothing like it does today. Yet sharks were already there, sharpening the traits that would make them icons of survival. One of their lesser-known secrets is that sharks have a kind of built-in biological GPS that uses the Earth's magnetic field. This sense, called magnetoreception, allows them to navigate thousands of miles without losing their way. It's as if they can see invisible routes in the ocean that no other animal can detect. And speaking of senses, their ability to smell is even more incredible than most people imagine. They don't just detect blood. They can identify extremely specific chemical cues. Even concentrations as tiny as one drop in an Olympic pool. But here's the shocking part. They can smell stress from other animals. When prey panics, it releases chemical signals that sharks can pick up from far away. Another little-known fact is that sharks don't have traditional scales. Instead, their skin is covered in tiny tooth-like structures called dermal denticles. These act like armor and also reduce drag, letting sharks glide faster and more quietly. Thanks to this unique skin, they're also highly resistant to infections. Some sharks even have abilities that look straight out of a sci-fi movie. Take the goblin shark, for example. Often called a living fossil. It can shoot its jaw forward like a spring-loaded trap to snag prey in a fraction of a second. There are also sharks built for extreme conditions. The Greenland shark lives in freezing waters and can survive for over 400 years, making it the longest living vertebrate on Earth. Some individuals might have been born before Mozart, Shakespeare, or even before certain countries existed. Not all surprises have to do with power or age. Some sharks behave in ways that seem almost bizarre. The hammerhead shark, for instance, constantly sweeps its head from side to side like a moving scanner. That hammer-shaped structure isn't just for show. It's packed with sensors that turn it into a biological radar. And here's a mind-blower. Some sharks can warm specific parts of their bodies, such as their brain and eyes. This gives them quicker reflexes and better vision in cold waters where other predators struggle. We even have sharks that can walk. The epaulet shark uses its fins like legs to move across reefs during low tide. It may not look like a fearsome predator, but it shows just how incredibly diverse sharks really are. Many species also communicate with each other using body bumps, color shifts, and ritualized movements that scientists still don't fully understand. What looks like a simple aggressive swim to us might actually be a full message to another shark. And finally, even though they're known as deadly hunters, sharks actually play a crucial role in the health of the ocean. They regulate fish populations, remove sick animals, and keep coral reefs balanced. In other words, sharks are the silent architects of marine ecosystems. Sharks aren't just predators. They're survivors, ecosystem engineers, and living witnesses of Earth's ancient history. Each species carries abilities so extraordinary that they remind us how little we truly understand about the ocean, and how much more there is to discover. Learning about them is the first step toward protecting them. Because believe it or not, most shark species are now endangered due to overfishing. If they disappeared, our oceans would change forever. And so would we. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos filled with science, mystery, and nature. And let me know in the comments, which facts surprised you the most? Your comment might even be featured in the next video.